Welcome back to AMCrypto. My name is Alex. And the Bitcoin price had here a massive bounce back to the upside after we have dropped here substantially all the way down to $38,000. And I want to talk about today where the Bitcoin price might go next here in the short term. So let's directly dive in here. So and here on the 4-hourly chart, we can see the Bitcoin price was heavily rejected from the $43,000 level all the way up here, and went then here down and came then all the way down to this upward sloping support line, and that was the last line in the sand for the Bitcoin price before we would have dropped here substantially lower. So, and Bitcoin has managed to get a nice bounce here back to the upside, back into this green support area that we are right now trading in. So, and for Bitcoin to get here into higher levels, we have to close a 4-hourly candle above the top of this support zone, which is sitting right now at $40,855. Also, when we have a look here on the EMA ribbons, Bitcoin has to continue to trade here above the ribbon so that the yellow string can work its way here to the top of the ribbon again and flip it. And then we are also back into an uptrend here on the 4-hourly chart on the EMA ribbon, because here we had here this massive flip to the downside here from $46,000. And then we tried to flip it here a week ago, which was then also a failed attempt. So, and now we could see here in the next 2-3 days, the next potential try to flip the EMA ribbon. So where would be now a good point to get into a trade if I would be looking for a trade here on Bitcoin? In my opinion, it would be when we break $40,855. There I would open a new long position. And guys, don't forget that you can get here always on BYBIT. You still get $4,060 in bonuses with my link, and on Phemex $4,100 in bonuses with my link here. So here on the funding rates, we can see that some people on some exchanges flipped now here bullish. So that is obviously also due to that Elon Musk bought Twitter. Overall, we are kind of like mixed here, you know. So it looks for me there's still quite some indecision in the market based on the funding rates. So yeah, there is not really a side hammering the other one right now based on the funding rates. So which is actually good. When we are a little bit neutral here, that's absolutely fine. When we are looking here again on the yckoff pattern that I have shown you guys yesterday, here you can see how nicely we are following it. So here, according to the yckoff pattern, we should see here one more low point before we go then up for good. Or in the better scenario, we are looking at something like this here. So where we had this final drop now and are ready to go to the upside here based on the daily chart. So this is also something that I'm watching right now really closely for the next, let's say 2-3 days. Because based off this yckoff pattern here in phase C, where we are right now at the end of phase C, we should get a massive candle here to the upside, a huge breakout that could bring us all the way up to $45,000, and that would be also the short squeeze that I'm looking out for. Here on the daily chart, we can see that Bitcoin has here in this ascending channel that we have here managed to break back into it. That's also a really good sign. But here I would not, based on this chart, I would not flip bullish unless we are breaking $41,500. But when we go back to the 4-hourly chart, there you have seen $40,800 is the level to watch for the immediate short term. There I would open a new long position, but I would open it with caution as we get close to $41,500, because there we got the last time rejected and went straight under this ascending channel here. So yeah, so I would, if I open a long position, be really careful and watch $41,500. If we break it, then obviously we write it up. But if not, and we start turning around, then yeah, I would definitely close my long position and wait for a better entry. Guys, and if you want to make money here on a daily basis with me and my team, then don't forget that you can also still sign up for my paid signals group. The link for this is also found here under my videos. Directly contact to my staff and they will hook you up with everything what you need to know. So now let's have a quick look also into Ethereum. Ethereum has also broken here above this downwards trending resistance line. So here I would like to see another candle moving away to the upside. So when we're looking here at some indicators, we're looking at stochastic RSI. So there's definitely some more room to go here to the upside before we have to see here again a retracement. So this can still go on for at least 2 days, maybe 3 days in upwards movement here for Ethereum. So I can imagine that we will find ourselves here pretty soon around $3,200 again. So once we are closing the candle as it is today and starting out in green with the next one, there you can in theory already open a long position and rights to the upside. You could actually open a long position already now on Ethereum, but then I would set my stop loss here close to the $3,000 level, so 2,950, around that level. I would set a stop loss just if this turns around on you, that you don't lose too much money. So but this is a little bit on the more risky side. So if you want to play it safe, wait for this candle to close, wait for the next starting out in green, get in there around $3,075, $3,080. Guys, that's it for today. Again, tomorrow I will be traveling. I will be meeting with the president of Colombia. This is not a joke. I will meet with the president of Colombia in 2 days. So I will be flying tomorrow all day long. I will try to make a video. It will be done through my phone, so it otherwise will be quite complicated to do this for me. So but I try my best to make a video for you guys while I'm traveling to Colombia to meet with the president. So definitely stick around and follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram is crypto2_Alex with over 400,000 followers. Only the profile with over 400,000 followers is the real one. All others are fake. I don't have any other Instagram accounts, so be there on the watch for scammers trying to scam you with fake Instagram accounts. So I will document my journey from here to Dubai, traveling to Colombia, talking with the president of Colombia and the way back. So that's something to definitely watch out for. Thank you so much once again for watching. Please smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I will see you then in Colombia.